हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू राहगीर इंडिया डिफेंस अड्डा। दोस्तों, हाल ही में हमने यूट्यूब पर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज शुरू करी है, जिसके कुछ वीडियोस आप पहले ही देख चुके हैं। आज के इस वीडियो में हम एक कैंडिडेट का लाइव इंटरव्यू दिखाएंगे और बीच में ये भी दिखाएंगे कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और कैसे उसका जवाब आप देते हैं। हमारे रेगुलर 15 डेज कोर्स अब चालू हैं और आप में से जिनका भी एसएसबी है वो आकर अपना कोर्स ले सकते हैं। दोस्तों, इसमें कंप्लीट साइको एनालिसिस टेस्ट होता है और आपका कंप्लीट पैकेज आपको दिया जाता है। बहुत कम रेट पर ये आपको मिलता है। हमारे कोर्स में जो हमने ग्रुप डिस्कशंस, ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज, लेक्चरेट और बाकी की स्क्रीनिंग एक्सरसाइजेस करी हैं, उसके कुछ वीडियोस हम रेगुलर यूट्यूब पर डाल रहे हैं ताकि आप उनका फ़ायदा उठा सकें। आज हम अपने एक कैंडिडेट का इंटरव्यू यहाँ पर डालने जा रहे हैं और उसे शुरू करते हैं। इंटरव्यू के स्टार्टिंग में वहाँ जाते ही आपसे एक या दो बेडिंग इन क्वेश्चंस, जो कि इजी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, वो पूछे जाते हैं ताकि आप आराम से स्टार्ट कर सकें। और ये क्वेश्चंस इस तरह होते हैं। Okay, Priyanka, welcome. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How about you, sir?
We are great. What did you do today?
I did some exercise in the morning, and after that, I watched your video. Then I'm sitting here.
तो जैसे ही आपका इनिशियल क्वेश्चंस खत्म होता है, एकदम से आपको रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है, जिसमें कि 4, 5, 6 क्वेश्चंस एक साथ पूछे जाते हैं और आपसे उम्मीद करी जाती है कि आप उनका आंसर सीक्वेंस में देंगे। Okay, tell me something about your early life, your education, your parents, your siblings, your teachers, and the grades which you scored till now.
I have spent my early life in the army background, as my father was in the army. So since childhood, I was with him. So I traveled across the country. My father, he had served in the army for 30 years, and his name is Subedar Major B.S. Nair, and he's retired now. Right now, he is doing as a security officer job in Ahmednagar. So, and speaking about my mother, she's a homemaker, and she takes care of us. That's all about my parents. And sir, I guess I missed some of the points. I don't remember. So please, will you repeat?
दोस्तों, यहाँ पर उन्होंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दिए हैं और कुछ भूल गए हैं। मैंने कुछ कट भी कर दिए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी वो पूरे आंसर्स नहीं बता पाए हैं और इसलिए वो दोबारा से इंटरव्यूअर से ये पूछते हैं। I asked you about your grades also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. My grades from the school in the 10th standard, I have secured 8.4 CGPA from Kendriya Vidyalaya Ahmednagar here itself, and I have also completed my 12th in Kendriya Vidyalaya Ahmednagar and secured 82.6 percentage. And I took civil engineering as my branch, and the overall aggregate I secured was 76 percentage overall. That's all about my grades, sir.
76 is very low. Don't you think, were you not studying at all in the engineering? What happened? तो यहाँ पर जो आपने आंसर दिया है, उसी को पकड़कर एक आपसे अनकंफर्टेबल सा फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है।
No, sir. It's a reality and fact that Pune University is the toughest. Like if we go through the tally, like it is the toughest, and it doesn't give that much marks. And
Everybody
Pune
tells the
University
same thing.
doesn't give
Everybody
that.
who gets low marks, they say that my teacher was strict. I take it that you are trying to palm off the responsibility. तो दोस्तों, यहाँ पर कैंडिडेट ने अपने आप को जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश करी और वो और फंस गए, तो इसलिए ये चीज अवॉइड करनी होती है।
So regarding the marks, I want to just say that I never did anything like carelessness, but I almost every time I gave 100%. But during the last semesters of my college, I was most into the like my at that time also some of the interviews were coming for like university entry scheme. So uh, I was preparing fully towards that, and my teachers were supportive in that time also, but they had a issue that why you are not also contributing towards the college studies. So this may be one of the reasons. दोस्तों, यहाँ पर कैंडिडेट को रियलाइज हुआ है कि वो मार्क्स वाला क्वेश्चन ठीक से आंसर नहीं कर पाए हैं और वो फिर से इसको जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो नॉर्मली जो एक बार हो चुका है उसे दोबारा नहीं लाना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप दोबारा से फिर फंस जाएंगे। Which was the year when you passed out from there? What was the year? Sir, 2018.
I just checked up on the net. The highest percentage was 92.5% that year. in your stream. So saying that university got me down, and when somebody can score 92.5% from that same college, okay, it's not correct. Okay? You could have scored better marks there. तो यहाँ पर इंटरव्यूअर थोड़ी सी रिसर्च कर कर आपको पकड़ सकता है. इसके बाद दोस्तों कुछ आपके पर्सनल क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं ताकि आपको स्ट्रेस में डाला जा सके और आपकी पर्सनल स्टेबिलिटी चेक करी जाए. You never had any boyfriend in your life?
No, sir, but I do had crushes, but I don't had any boyfriends.
Why? You were shy to interact with guys, or what was the thing?
No, sir. Like I have seen in my college campus itself, like most of them are like fake, or they just do a relation for time pass. So I'm not that kind of person. Those who are playing with the feelings.
आप जो वर्ड्स वहां पर यूज करते हैं उनका ध्यान रखें कि वो आपको उन्हीं वर्ड से पकड़कर आपको दोबारा क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे और आपको अनकंफर्टेबल बनाएंगे. But you are just given a broad brush that most of the people are fakes, okay, which I'll say if I tell people who are sitting or listening to interview, they'll take it a very this thing, you know, very negatively. How can you broad brush all male people like they are all fakes? I'm also a male person, and you're making sure that I'm a fake.
No, sir. That
Yeah,
I
that's what
didn't
you're meaning to
mean
say, that all men are fakes.
No, sir. It is not like that. But the experience I had,
That's
I
what.
have seen girls crying in the corridor.
Okay, that means your power of judgment was not good. Okay, something like that. They may be wrong. Yeah, let's leave that. Okay, now you tell me something about, you told me that you have done civil engineering and all. What were the main subjects which you covered in that? कुछ ऐसे कैंडिडेट जो कि टेक्निकल एंट्री से होते हैं या फिर जिनका टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड होता है वो उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि उनसे कुछ टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे जाएंगे.
Concrete technologies.
Okay.
And structures and like SOM, that is strength of materials. Okay, so what are the three basic things which you check for analyzing the structural strength of materials? So first of all, we check the stress, how it feels, like tension and compression, and there is if the like any kind of material is undergoing any stress with external load, so there is a shear stress acting on the material. एक जनरल क्वेश्चन जो आप सब एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं वो होगा आपका आर्मी ज्वाइन करने की आपकी पैशन, आप क्यों आर्म फोर्सेस में जाना चाहते हैं. So you have done mostly your civil engineering and you have done engineering, those many things you've done. Why are you thinking of army now? What is there special in army? You could earn a very good living and all in civil, by civil engineering. Sir, because it was my dream, like from like 9th grade, and like I also always wanted to join army because it is giving as a respect, and I don't find like even if I be in any kind of organization, I don't find that respect will be equal in that organization, and this is giving me happiness, so I'm inclining to join the forces. इसके बाद आपका आर्मी में जाने के बाद क्या इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी रहेगा उससे रिलेटेड भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं. But you might have heard that there are some issues with the girls in army and something like that. How will you handle those type of things? What are the issues which you have heard about ladies or the officers who are already there? So I have heard that the Jawans, they don't take the command seriously, or they don't find it good. But sir, I understand that they are not even in the exposure of women. They are already in the exposure of men. So I don't find any kind of in every domain it has even any kind of other organization. So I don't take it negatively. I take it positively, and I will convince them. That's what you are saying. What if Jawans don't respect you? As such, you are going to the army for just for the respect. And if you don't get respect from the Jawans, why are you going there? Better go to civil. No, sir. Like respect, like Jawans. I will. If they don't agree with my command, then I will discuss with them and convince them. Not convince, but tell them this is my order, and like I am saying, so you have to follow this. तो यहाँ पर जब कैंडिडेट कॉर्नर हो गए हैं तो वो फाइनली ऑर्डर्स पर आ गए हैं, तो ये अवॉइड करना है और आपने अपनी कन्विंसिंग एबिलिटी से ही इसे सॉल्व करना है. Okay, tell me something about your hobbies and interests. My hobbies are reading books, and I scroll down and write answers on Quora platform. And speaking about my interest, I watch Josh Talks on YouTube sometimes.
आपकी हॉबी और इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर 100% कुछ फॉलो क्वेश्चन पक्का पूछे जाएंगे.
What type of books? What is your genre?
My type of books, I read both non-fiction and fiction, but mostly non-fiction.
How many total books have you read till now?
So around 5 or 6. And sir, I'm not habitual of reading books, but it came into the second year of graduation.
दोस्तों, यहाँ पर आपने हॉबी तो बताया है बुक्स पढ़ने का, लेकिन इंटरव्यूअर ने पकड़ लिया क्योंकि उसे पता है कि आपने ज्यादा किताबें नहीं पढ़ी हैं.
You told me your hobby is reading and you read five books. Okay.
Yes.
Somebody who's got a hobby of reading, he should have read around 500 books by now. What you have written in your hobby is not correct. Okay. Hobby is something which you have been pursuing from regularly, and that's the way. Just reading 2 books and coming that I'm a specialist, that doesn't make me my hobby. ठीक है.
दोस्तों, अभी आप स्ट्रेस में ही होते हैं कि मैंने अच्छे आंसर्स नहीं दिए हैं, और उसी टाइम 1 या 2 और आपके ऊपर बॉम्बशेल आ सकते हैं कि आपका इंटरव्यू बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं हुआ है.
Okay, so I've gone through your answers. I've seen your response in GTO. My friend told me, even in psychological, we saw that your stories and all. Unfortunately, I don't think so we'll be able to select you because there are major flaws in your psychology. Okay, how will you react that? What do you say on that?
So I respect that, but I think I have that capability. I will work upon my mistakes and I will analyze that where I'm lacking, and I will come again.
And okay, tell me what are your alternate career options?
यहाँ पर आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी चेक करी जाती है. एंश्योर करें कि आपके पास अदर ऑप्शंस भी होने चाहिए.
Yes, so if I don't make it, then I have civil engineering. I have that degree, and with that, I will go for MES, Military Engineering Service, or via UPSC to be an officer, and will be indirectly serving in the army.
और लास्ट में जाते हुए आपसे नॉर्मल 1 या 2 जनरल क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे जाते हैं.
Okay, that's fine. So anything you want to tell us? Anything else you want to ask me or question me anything on, or any suggestions you want to give us about the interview, about our SSB center?
No, sir. Like center is giving everything, accommodating each and every candidate. So it's a great thing, and thank you for the opportunity, sir. But I don't have any suggestion.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed your stay here, and let's see how things go from here. All the best for your future. Okay.
दोस्तों, यहाँ पर हमने कुछ सैंपल क्वेश्चन ही वीडियो में अपलोड करे हैं. आपका नॉर्मल इंटरव्यू 40 मिनट से लेके 1 आवर तक चलता है, और जो अपना इंटरव्यू करवाना चाहते हैं और इस तरह की गाइडेंस लेना चाहते हैं, वो हमारा कोर्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो. देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. अच्छी सी तैयारी करें. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.